Heather from CysterWigs.com, battling the elements to bring you this next batch of wig reviews. Today I am reviewing the Socialite wig by Gabor in the color Mahogany, also known as GL6-30. I love this GL6-30, by the way. In fact, I really like any 630 combination. I just think it's really cute. And not only that, it looks really natural. So if you're looking for a really beautiful chocolatey brown mix, this is a lovely color to run with. Now, this wig came out of the box like this. The curls are still intact. I have not styled them or done anything to them, but I will. So I wanted to do that on camera, but I wanted to show you what it looks like right out of the box before I did any fussing or mussing with it. Before I even get that far, I want to tell you that I love this wig. I have always thought that this wig was super cute, and it looks just like the manufacturer photo, if you can't tell. This is not styled, this is not fussed with, as I mentioned earlier, and it looks pretty much like you would hope it would look. So that's best case scenario. Let's talk some specs. This wig only weighs 4 ounces, which is great for a wig of this length. That's a really nice weight. This wig has a lace front, and it's a very nice lace front. It's a little sparse in the front, and then it gradually gets thicker until you get to the hairline. I like that. I think that looks really nice and natural. The front is 6.5 inches, so it's a long bang, so it's definitely meant to be swept off to the side. You could always have a stylist trim it, but really the style of this is to have the bang swept off to the side, and it looks really cute that way. And they stay there, which is great. The crown is 11.5 inches down, but it's curled, so it's going to be a little shorter than that. The sides are 7.75, heavily layered, brings out the most of that curly texture. The back is 10 inches, but again, it's curled, so it's going to be shorter than that. And the nape is also 10 inches, and ditto for that as well. So let me go ahead and show you what this one looks like right out of the box, 360 style. I don't know, this one just seems so bouncy that I had to bounce. So yeah, I love this wig. I think it looks adorable on. I think that this could look good on a lot of different face shapes. I think this would also look really good on people of all ages. These mid-length wigs are like the wizards of the wig kingdom. You know, they basically work on any age group, you know. Long wigs sometimes can look a little bit too youthful, though I will argue that sometimes those long gray wigs can look really chic. You know, I don't know if you ever remember the movie Twister, but I remember Aunt Meg, you know, with the cows and the steak. I remember her really specifically having this awesome long gray hair, and that it was just really cool looking, and I was like, when I'm, you know, her age, I want to have really cool long hair. And then of course, you know, alopecia happened. But with wigs, hey, anything's possible. But just because long gray wigs look cool on some people, not everybody's comfortable having that really long hair, and not everyone's comfortable having super short boy cuts or like really cute little shags. Some people really want a nice happy medium, and guess what? This one's great. And I love the curl pattern on this. Like I said, it's a very natural looking curl pattern to me. It reminds me a lot of my hair texture when I had a lot of hair, and I just think that this wig is kind of perfect. It's really nice, and the price is great. This one is not uber expensive because it only has a monofilament part. So let me go ahead and show you what that part looks like. And there you can see it kinda. It's very nice, dense mono part. Goes right into that lace front. You guys see where my wig cap comes in. If that bugs you, just take a couple pieces from one side and move them over. Boom. And it really helps conceal that seam if that's something that really gets on your nerves. And it looks just as cute that way too, because the lace front will let you part this on any side you want. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take Socialite off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Here is what that color looks like up close and personal. As you can see, it does have a little bit of red in it. Let me see if I can get it in the sunlight. Woo! I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little bit of that really pretty medium coppery auburn color in there, but the majority of this color is that luscious number 6. That 6 is not particularly warm, so what it does is it kind of evens it out so this doesn't pull brassy. It just looks like a very lovely, luscious chocolate brown, because look at that. It's not really highlighted, it's just kind of blended, and it has more of that red blended into the top, so it looks like it would if the sun naturally bleached your hair to look like that. It's a beautiful color. I love this color. As a natural brunette, I'm partial to those kind of colors. So here is the lace front on that, and as I mentioned before, that lace front's pretty well done. It's gradual, and I think that makes it look very, very realistic as opposed to just having hair, you know? Not everyone has hair as thick as the monofilament top or mono part that it's attached to, you know? So I do think that helps ease into the wig a bit. And then there's that really nice mono part. Let's see if I can get that really nice and close up for you. There, that's a little better shot of it for you. And then the back and sides are open. We've got nice felt ear tabs right here. We've also got a felt extended nape, which is quite nice, and you can use the Velcro adjusters in the back to let this out about a ½ an inch all the way around. There's also a little bit of felt lining this part, which is where a lot of the permatease lives. The permatease in a wig like this serves not to give volume, because I think this one has a lot of very natural volume. It doesn't look poofy at all, which is nice for a curly wig. But I do think that what the permatease does is it helps obscure the wefting, so that way if the wind blows or something like that, no one's going to see the tracks, which is great. So I think this is a very well made wig. I think the price is delightful on this, especially given the quality of the hair, how well it fits, and how beautiful and natural this color looks. I mean, Gabor has very beautiful coloring. You know, they're made by the same company that makes Raquel Welch wigs, and Raquel Welch wigs tend to be a little bit more glam, and they emphasize the glam, but Gabor colors tend to be, by and large, a little bit more conservative. They're made to be classic, and they never really go out of style. They're beautiful, beautiful colors, and their wig styles, by and large, tend to be a little bit more conservative as well, and that also helps them stand the test of time. So this has been a review of the Socialite wig by Gabor in the color GL6-30, also known as Mahogany. It's a beautiful wig. I love this color. I highly recommend this one if you're in the market for a mid-length that will flatter any face shape. The way these layers hit, look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's just very, very flattering. I think it's because, I want to mention this too, I think it's also because the curls start here. The volume starts here, eye level. They don't start down here around the jawline or the ears. That is awesome, because that makes this wig much more flattering for people even if they have rounder faces like I do. Whereas some of the wigs where the curls don't start until here and then go down, those can actually add volume to an area you don't want to add volume to. So this one is the best of all possible worlds as far as mid-length curly styles go. So I know I've probably sung its praises enough, so I'm going to call it a day. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Please check out my store if you get a chance. It's just www.cysterwigs.com. Until next time, hopefully it doesn't rain on me so I can bring you some more reviews today, and I look forward to seeing you later.